What's up, everybody? I wanted to do a quick video and talk about a new addition to my Flick Trix collection. This is another Flick Trix Retro, and this is this is a GT World Tour, if you look close on the down tube. And this one is in green. And I just got this one, and I'm actually going to open it up. I know a lot of people keep stuff in the package, but it's what it is. I've got my other one sitting over here, so they made quite a few of these, I'm finding. There's always, every time I think I get most of them, I'll find another one I don't have. Get this bad boy out of here. So the color scheme, I need white. I would like to put white tires, change the sprocket, put some chrome cranks on there, white grips. But unfortunately, as you guys can see, white tires are surprisingly hard to come by with Flick Trix. Most of their bikes came with different color tires. You see a lot of the green and the blue. Here I've got some different colored mags, white mags, some pink mags. This is random, I know, but anyway. So I don't have any parts right now without having to take off some of my other Flick Trix bikes. But anyway, this is my, let's see if I can zoom in there, World Tour. Alright, so I've got the green one now, the lavender, the yellow, the orange, I got the racer, or the BMX. I will say the blue one is also, I would like to have white tires, white seat. I just did not have parts to make it the way I want. And I would like to have white parts here, white tires, grips, etc. So, but anyway, there's my GTs. Peace out.